Hi everybody, you can see I am sweating like crazy. I am back in Phuket and I want to see the change because before I stay in this area in this hotel and I want to see how Karon, this area is changed. So let's do the visit in my company and let's see how this area is changed. Hope the sound will be good because I'm doing the video on my cell phone. So before I stay in this hotel, it's really nice hotel. If you're on a budget, there's a swimming pool there, nice breakfast, there's the room above. You will not pay a lot. It is on the main road, but during the night, it's not too noisy. There is less traffic and you will be able to sleep. An obvious change is all those weed and cannabis stores that pop up like just everywhere. So many of them. I've been here the last time in 2019 and I recognize but I don't recognize. It's like familiar and new in the same time. It's really a strange feeling. I remember soon we will arrive at a massage place, a quite expensive massage place. Maybe we already passed it. I think we already passed it. But they are offering really high quality massage. You will pay if you go that place, you will pay the double, like really the double. But the quality is really high. You have your own shower. You will have they give you tea. They give you some food. It's really a nice place that you can go. I remember this store. It survived. Convenience store. A lot of people here at night. Like you have to make a long queue. I remember. It's not changed. Still a long queue like before. This restaurant, Mama Jean, local food, really nice. You come here at night, it's full. Like maybe it's 80% local people and 20% foreigner. You will pay really good price, really low price, and really high quality local food. Because I stayed at the hotel before there, I was eating here and it's really nice. Now we arrive at the level of Karon temple. There is a nice market there at night. I think it's once a week. But now when I was there earlier today, I saw some kind of a market activity, but the big market is I think maybe I'm not sure about the day, but it's at night and you can buy clothes there, cheap clothes, lot of food. It's a nice it's a nice place to spend time during the time. See you later. People keep trying to selling you stuff you don't need. It's a funny place. So now I am going in direction of the temple market, Karon temple. I remember many times. So it's maybe it's the way they make money. They have this market there. But normally it's a temple. It's a religious place and it's really calm. And I used to go there just to sit alone, and it was really quiet. I could have a good rest, and sometimes I even do some of my YouTube video. I've done so many YouTube videos in that place. So let's see if we can enter the market. Okay, and here we go. Karon temple market in full effect. So yeah, nice place. But really, if you come here when it's really the big market, it's full of people. You can barely If you walk, you will walk into someone. There's so much people. Yeah. Enjoy Karon temple. You have clothes, food, cosmetic, jewelry, pendant, bracelet, bag, wallet. If you want a good holiday, don't bring a, when you come here in Thailand on holiday, don't bring a lot of stuff, because you can buy some nice t-shirt, some nice shirt, some nice bag. Don't take a suitcase full of stuff. You can buy, even you can buy brand shirt for cheap. Adidas, Champion, Supreme for really good price. So yeah, now I am exciting. I am leaving the market. It's delicious food. Okay, here it will be really interesting. Oh, it's changed after the COVID things. So of course there is all those new weed and cannabis place. That's new. That weed lands since they made cannabis legal recently. That's new place. This is new. Let's see. Let's see if the place I used to eat and drink are still standing. Another cannabis place. I remember that clinic. You can enjoy the nice color of the sunset. It's really beautiful. And now I am walking in direction of the beach. Ah yeah, I remember this place, Kebab Steak. When I went there just one time in 2019, halal food place, and it was not good. I mean the meat was really bland. The French fries were really average. It's not a place. I don't know. Maybe they changed. It was so many years ago. It was 2019. Maybe they improved. But when I went there, it was not so great. So this place I went there too. It's okay. It's an okay restaurant, Thai food. Yeah, this place I also remember. I think I've never been there. So there's a lot of discussion on the internet about the invasion of Russian in Phuket. I think I will make a dedicated video about this. I think people don't pay attention well because it was like this for so many years. So I don't see the big deal. Yeah, soon we will be at the beach. It is changed, but not too much. It's still the place I recognize. Most of the restaurants I used to go are still there. There are all those new places, but it's essentially it's not big change. There was a coffee place there. I used to go there like almost every day. It was at front of the beach. I will go take a coffee and then I will go at the beach. I want to see if it's still there. You see that Watson store, Watson pharmacy. If you know this place, if you've been here before, you know, it's like it has been there for a while. Okay, Louis Kitchen. It's really hot today, but I manage. It's the end of the afternoon. It's fresh, so I can walk quite easy. As you know, I've spent a couple of months in Mexico, and I eat a lot of fruit, and I have to say that the fruit in Mexico, to me, they are better than the fruit here. That's an interesting observation. Other fruit tourists have told me the same. Fruit in Latin America, like Costa Rica, Mexico, are generally better than food around here. But what I like about here, the fruit are really good price, and I can have a lot of them, and that's great. So we're at the beach. This place, no, it's changed. It's changed. It's not the same anymore. Now it's Italian restaurant, but before it was something else. Oh, it's changed. So something has changed. Before it was, before there was a breakfast place. You could come here for around $6 US. You have a big breakfast, but now it's no more. It's an Italian restaurant. So let's see if my favorite coffee place survive. Let's see. We shall see. Kebab chicken is still there. I remember there was some kebab around here. Maybe that's the place. Okay. Okay. So many new wheat places. So if you continue this road, really you walk, and it's really a very long walk, you will arrive at Kata Beach. But it's really a long walk. Like you really need to be up. You really need to be high. Okay. It seems my coffee place survived. It's still there. So that's the place. Anda Coffee. Still the same. It managed to survive. Still there. Great. So yeah, we'll take a coffee there and then whoop, head to the beach. Irish pub. So yeah, as I told you, you walk into the end of the street and it's really long walk. I've done it maybe 2 times in the afternoon when it was super hot. It's like a torture. Like you really need to have, you really need to be prepared for it. It's better to do it in the evening or early in the morning. And if you like running, it's a good way. It's a good run to run here until the end of the beach, and then you have this road that go to Kata Beach. But I recommend you do this in the morning. So yeah, you can see Karon Beach. let's go there and enjoy the sunset. So I hope you enjoyed my little walk. I hope the sound quality will be good because I am doing this on my phone. I forgot my GoPro at my room. Yeah, that's Karon Beach in full effect. Okay guys, see you soon in the next one.